beautiful building complex full of charm of modern scientific and technological elements, a lunar camp has a strict and complete basic life system, complete living facilities, comfortable and inhabitable living environment, and complete scientific research facilities which perfectly meets all the requirements of the competition. We have also built advanced and scientific practical laboratories through imagination, providing a scientific research environment with outstanding conditions. From left to right, you can see a laboratory for the study of the lunar plants and microbes, the location of the radar, and other special information receiving and transmitting system used to communicate with the Earth. Below it is the master control room, where astronaut works for total control. The small hemisphere building is equipped with electronical display and other advanced modern systems of archives and analyzing control areas, responsible for classifying and specific research of scientific data obtained in the laboratory. Overall control of the lunar camp living conditions and operations, its arch structure making strong pressure resistance can be used to protect the precious materials. Further to the right, you can see the large half sphere is the living area of the astronauts, which is divided into three levels, including a powder room, a living area, and a gym. Next to the gym, there's an eating area, which is perfect to give the astronaut a comfortable living condition. At the same time, you can see the materials is specially designed to protect the astronaut. The small spheres areas with microbes, including those carried on the Earth and still might be found on the Moon, with special temperature and equipment setting in the sensors monitoring in real time and displayed to the astronaut. If there are any changes or problems, a small building like the main console building on its right can be quickly reached by astronauts to resolve the problem. And the three small hemispherical buildings you'll see next are our experimental plant growing areas and video growth chamber, which are used for large growth and astronaut daily food cultivation, as well as advanced systems to ensure large-scale irrigation and other agricultural needs, real-time growth monitoring, and so on, which can be used for research. The rest of it is similar because the size of the moon camp, the large building on the right, is divided into two floors. One floor is another general control area and data storage room, and the other floor is also a laboratory for specialized research, aiming at our detailed lunar scientific research direction, that is, to study the existence of Earth's microorganisms living on Earth's planets in the lunar camps, and to explore whether there are other microorganisms on the surface of the moon. There are also information radars, as well as greenhouse and launch site and control preparation areas for the launch. Rockets use electromagnetic launch to carry goods and people with no pressure. Finally, it is obvious that in the term of the various systems that are necessary throughout the camp, there are pipelines, fuel, storage soils, and so on for the assembly of the number of complete systems for energy supply, water waste recovery, water and oxygen circulation, which are built in a great detail and run through all part of the camp. We also built a basement to be used of a disposable area of water recycling, taking the advantage of excellent topography of the crater. In summary, this is a complete and excellent moon camp. It also has excellent lunar recovers and rockets as vehicles, and this is the model of our moon rover. The rovers are programmed producers and systems in the operating internationally to perform basic scientific tasks and elaborate movements that are controlled by astronauts. It has solar panels that provide energy and durable tires and a body made of specially designed materials to protect it from the impacts of rocks on the surface of the moon and other materials in space.